Yan, okay. Yon! So for today's video, we have a Gaw-Gaw and Uling. So ang gagawin nila is Jack and Poy. Okay, ang kalaban ngayon ni Jimmy is si Mamat. Okay, so Jack and Poy, Mamat, alam mo na gagawin natin ha? Game. Ready? 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 Okay, ka lang. Appear muna kayo, appear muna. Yan, okay, game. Ready? Mat, Jack and Poy na Mat. Jack and Poy, yan. Okay. Tano ka lang. So, okay. Tingin ka dun, titingin ka lang ha. Tingin. Yan, okay, game. Ready? Jack and Poy. Yan. Yung mata. Ang konti. Ano yung mo? Okay, ready? Jack and Poy. Okay. Ilan naman? Tatlong beses na ba? Tatlo na. Okay, hanggang 5 lang to ha. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! So much more. Okay. Last one. Okay. Okay. So dito na nagtatawa sa Jack and Poy.